We have another spy camera, but this one is designed to look like a light bulb, and it has a 180-degree, like fisheye lens that you can see the entire room if you have it like screwed up into the ceiling. So you do get that really wide angle field of view, being able to see an entire room per se, whereas like the last one we did, which was a camera in a alarm clock, which was nice because you could set where you wanted, aim where you want it. You do have to plug it into a light socket, so it does kind of limit you a little bit there.
It looks like it has a lot of the same features as the spy clock camera has. For instance, it has two-way intercom. It's got app notification push where it can send you a message if it notices motion inside of your room when you're not home. It connects with Wi-Fi, you put an SD card in there. It's got a microphone for the two-way intercom, so I mean it has a speaker as well.
So we do think that this one has a lot of the same features as the last camera that we did, just in a different kind of form factor. But we'll have the link down below in the description if you want to check it out. Let's open this guy up, see what we get. Nice big box here. Holy cow.
Ooh, that is massive! Are you serious? Hey, look, you get a little Allen wrench as well.
What is that for?
I don't know, but you get it. That's it.
That's all that's in there?
That's all that's in there.
Kind of a nice little magnet case though.
I know, it's a case worth keeping, that's for sure.
Well,
Wow, it does not
really hiding the fact that it's got a camera in it.
No, it's really standing out to be a camera. Really standing out to be a camera there, bud.
We have the SD card slot right on the side.
Awesome.
Not hidden at all.
There is a reset button. That might be what the Allen wrench is for.
To stick it in there. Here we have the speaker and the microphone, it looks like.
Okay, not very well hidden. I'm gonna throw that out there right now. Let's go ahead and plug this guy in.
We got our handy little light holder here.
Ooh,
God, that is a huge bulb.
That's massive. It's a flying saucer. Let's go ahead and turn it on.
Is it supposed to turn on?
I'm not seeing anything.
Huh. Maybe we have to connect the app. Maybe there's something in the app.
Let's get to the app.
Oh, hey, that QR code's on the box. Can you grab it?
Yeah. Ooh, look at that.
Get an easy app download.
Google Play and App Store.
Boom. Yeah, that's true. It's actually for your Android and Apple devices. It's called Cool Cam because we're cool.
Yeah.
All right, so we made our account and we can add a new camera. And we'll connect the camera via Wi-Fi.
So.
Okay.
Camera ready.
Jeez.
I swear that sounds just like the alarm clock.
I don't know. That's better in English. So let's go ahead and click on the camera here. And wow.
Okay. Wow, that's weird.
It's like very fisheye.
Very fisheye. Oh my gosh, it is like really.
It can still see my face right
Look at
here.
my finger now. Wow. Here you go, Tyler. Check it out. Oh, that's weird.
Whoa. Whoa, look at
What?
that.
What? Oh my god, you can see all my arms and everything. That's huge. Look, I can reach. Am I touching the wall? It sees the wall. Is that the wall?
That's the wall.
Oh. Wow. Okay. Definitely see a lot with that.
All right, so we also have a light that we can turn on. Maybe. There we are. LED light. Full brightness.
That's full brightness.
Let's turn the lights off here.
I mean, if I saw that ball.
Whew. If you saw it like this, though, you wouldn't really notice.
Are you sure? Because I'd look at that and go, what the heck kind of light did you get? Look at that light. Look how weird that is. It looks like a clapper light. Exactly. Or one of those push lights.
Oh, let's get the lights back on.
Actually, I would say that's kind of bright. That was blinding me.
Whoa. What is this? It's like a different view.
What?
This is very interesting.
I'm not sure how I think about this one yet.
It's like top and bottom of the camera. So it's
There's
like this side and
supposed to
this
be
side.
left and right.
And then there's, oh, we can move it.
Whoa.
What?
That is interesting.
That's just funky.
But now we're inside of it. That sphere.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Here's like the dome.
Yeah, the dome. Wow. You got some weird effects in this.
This is like looking from the center of the camera. I can spin all the way around the room
Oh, interesting.
of what the camera is seeing.
Oh, okay. Well, that's really cool. Let's go ahead and plug this into a socket in the ceiling outside and see how this is in the real world.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's turn this off.
And blogger.
And we'll be right back.
Yes.
Alright. Well, that was interesting.
Sure was.
In Mike's house, there's a lot of like can lights, and so this didn't actually fit in them.
It was a really hard time finding where this would fit. We took a light out and we go, oh, that'll fit in there. We try putting it in, it's tapered, so it stops halfway through. We go, oh. And so we had a hard time. We actually only found one spot that it could fit.
Yeah, and
one spot.
It was above like the little living room area, and it had actually a pretty good view of like the kitchen, dining room kind of area overall, I think.
In fact, no matter where you walked, as long as you can look and see that camera, it can see you.
Yeah.
I mean, it had a wide angle.
So here we have the video.
I mean, look at that.
Yeah, here I am, here you are.
All the way at the edge.
Waving at the camera.
That makes it look small.
You walked
Way
all the way
over
back there.
You're way over there.
Oh, you can still see my legs. Wow.
Yeah.
Gee.
Hardly anywhere it doesn't see. Sees
I
you-
walked
oh,
to the
even
front
sees
door.
you open
Yeah,
the
see?
door.
You see the front
Wow.
door?
Like I walk up the stairs. See all my legs.
That's pretty impressive.
Look at this. Look at going down the stairs.
Gee.
All the way down.
I mean, I don't know if you could really make out your face. Well, here's a... Whoa, look at this kind of view.
That's cool. That's sort of like you're looking through. Oh, there's my wife.
Yeah, it's like you're looking through the eyes of it.
Weird. That's I like that view.
That is pretty awesome.
Yeah.
So overall, it's a really cool camera. You get a very good view of an entire room if you have an outlet that is in the ceiling, you know, in the right spot.
Or at least not a can light. If it could fit in there and it's in the right spot, you're gonna see quite a bit, and it works really relatively well.
It does work. It does have a light on it. You can put an SD card in it. You can use it over the internet. You can talk to someone. It has motion detection. It records it when you want it to. It can take pictures. So it does what it's supposed to do.
It does. What it is a spy security camera, and it's supposed to be sort of like a light. The only thing I could say is that it does not look too much like a light.
Yeah, it's not the prettiest thing, that's for sure. And this thing will set you back just about $76.
That might be a little pricey, but to some, a security, you can't put a price on that.
Yeah, it is, it is about $15 more than that Wi-Fi alarm clock that we did, which I really liked because you could put anywhere on a flat surface and aim it where you want, which helps a lot.
Yeah.
The only advantage of this thing being that it has that wide angle where you can view the entire room from the one camera.
Not only a room, but if you had a nice outside light that kind of went up and over and you had this big flange on it, you fit this light in there, you could see quite a bit on the outside as well. And that's a good security camera for outside.
Yeah, very true, yeah. Other than that, as far as like resolution goes, it's what it is. It's, it's a small camera and it's not the greatest. If you kind of know how someone looks, you can probably tell it's them. Other than that, it's not high resolution.
Yeah, it's definitely not for that minute detail that you would love to have. It is a general purpose security camera or a spy camera just to make sure that no one's really getting in your house or really whatever it is.
Or kind of like what we said before, you have someone over, a nanny or babysitter or anything kind of like that. You want to make sure that they're doing their job correctly. You would definitely be able to see what they're doing pretty well.
Absolutely, especially with that overhead. You can see everything there.
So if this is something that you'd be interested in, again, we'll have the link down below in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.